Hi friends, today let's see one very interesting thing. So we'll learn German time with actual clock. Okay, we'll take one number and we'll see a few time related numbers around that particular number. Right now it is 3 o'clock. The clock shows 3 o'clock. So in German it will be es ist 3 Uhr. It is 3 o'clock. Now suppose it is the clock shows 3:10, right? So it will be es ist 10 Minuten nach 3, meaning it is 10 minutes past 3. Now suppose it is 3:50, right? In English we will say it is quarter past 3 or 3:15. So in German it will be es ist Viertel nach 3. Viertel is quarter and nach is past. So it is Viertel nach 3. Now suppose it is 3:20. The clock shows 3:20. So it will be es ist 20 nach 3 or it is es ist 20 Minuten nach 3. Got it clear? Now suppose it is 3:30. Right? So for 3:30 it will be es ist halb 4. In German it is es ist halb 4. Right? It is not halb 3 but it is es ist halb 4. The next number you have to take. Now suppose it is 3:40. Right? If suppose it is 3:40, the clock shows 3:40. In German it will be es ist 40 nach 3, meaning it is 40 past 3. Or in other way you can say es ist 10 Minuten nach halb 4. Clear? Halb 4 is 3:30. So it is 10 past 3:30. Right? Es ist 10 Minuten nach halb 4. Now suppose it is 3:45. The clock shows 3:45. So how will you say in German? Es ist Viertel vor 4. Meaning it is quarter for 4. Quarter to 4. Okay, clear? Now we'll see the next number, and that is 4 o'clock. If the clock shows 4 o'clock, in German it will be es ist 4 Uhr. It is 4 o'clock.